Okay, so we have an HP Envy, and the hinge broke on the right hand side. I was able to separate out this side here already. It's held together with adhesive, and I'm going to show you how to do it on the other side. You have to be really careful, because if you don't take this off carefully, you will break the glass screen as well, the touch screen as well. And then it becomes more expensive, because then you have to worry about a screen replacement as well as a lid replacement. So before I order anything, I'm going to try to see if I can take this off very carefully without breaking the glass, and then go from there. For what I normally do then is take this heat gun. You can't really use heat guns on all laptops. Certain ones you can do this, but not all of them, because if the lid is made out of plastic, then it will just melt, and you don't want to do that. Even though you're replacing the part, it just makes it harder. So we'll just heat this up. I'm moving it up and down because that's where the adhesive is. Try to warm it up. And there's also clips holding this in, so between the adhesive and the clips, it's very tricky. Okay. So let me just try to put this on something, because I do need both hands for this. So it's hot to the touch. You can see it's resisting, so I'm gonna have to loosen up the clips on the sides little by little, slowly. Just have to be really careful, because I don't want to break this. I can separate it out, or if I can find, if you look in there carefully, I don't know if you can see it. You can see where the adhesive, the double-sided adhesive is. That white thing with the circle. So I'm going to try to see if I can pull that out. 1 second, get a tweezer. Okay, so I'll open this up again. Trying to get it out to the side so I could pull it out, and then it'll release the screen. It's not easy. I'll try to grab it. There we go. Okay. Carefully. It's a stretch to release adhesive. So I gotta pull it out. We'll have to replace this when we finish the process. Okay. It's out.